They wear sleek black suits, star in myths and mystery stories, and show up at every spooky Halloween party. But crows are much more than dark decorations or ominous symbols. They are geniuses with feathers, problem solvers, memory masters, and social strategists that rival primates in intelligence. Today we reveal 10 amazing facts about crows that will completely change how you see these remarkable birds. Fact 1. Brainy like a primate. Crows have brain-to-body ratios similar to chimpanzees and humans. Inside their walnut-sized skulls lies a highly developed region called the nidopallium caudolaterale, which functions much like our prefrontal cortex. This is the part responsible for planning, decision-making, and solving complex problems. That's why crows can figure out multi-step puzzles, such as using a small stick to reach a longer stick to reach a piece of food, essentially doing bird engineering on the fly. Fact 2. Tool users and inventors. Crows don't just find tools, they make them. The New Caledonian crow, for example, shapes twigs into hooks and cuts leaves into strips to fish insects out of crevices. In laboratory tests, crows bent a piece of wire into a hook to retrieve food, inventing a tool they had never seen before. This level of spontaneous innovation is rare even among primates. Fact 3. Masters of memory. Crows never forget a face. Experiments show that they can remember human faces for years and even teach other crows which humans to trust or avoid. And if you annoy a crow, it can hold a grudge and will warn its friends and offspring to be wary of you. Conversely, if you feed them, they can remember your kindness and sometimes bring gifts like shiny trinkets in return. Fact 4. Complex social lives. A group of crows is poetically called a murder, but their society is anything but random. Crows live in tight-knit family groups, share food, and cooperate to raise young. They form alliances, settle disputes, and even seem to hold funerals, gatherings around a dead crow where they study what happened, perhaps to learn about dangers in their environment. It's a mix of deep family values and advanced survival strategy. Fact 5. Communicating in dialects. Crows have a vast vocabulary of calls, clicks, and gestures. Different populations develop distinct dialects, and young crows learn their local accent by listening to their parents and neighbors. If a crow moves to a new territory, it may learn a new dialect to fit in, like a bird picking up a different human language. Fact 6. Planning for the future. For a long time, scientists thought only humans and a few primates could plan ahead. Crows broke that assumption. In controlled experiments, they stored tools for later use and even delayed gratification, choosing a bigger reward tomorrow over a small one today. This ability to think about the future and resist impulse is considered a key marker of higher intelligence. Fact 7. Creative problem solvers. In the wild, crows drop hard nuts onto busy roads so passing cars will crack them open, then wait for the traffic light to change before safely retrieving the prize. They also use moving water to soften tough food and will stack multiple objects to reach something out of reach. These are multi-step solutions showing flexible and creative thinking on par with young children. Fact 8. Masters of play. Intelligence isn't all work. Crows love to have fun. They've been seen sliding down snowy rooftops, tossing sticks to each other midair, and playing elaborate games of catch. Playful behavior like this is a strong sign of a curious and complex mind, not just an instinct for survival. Fact 9. Cultural knowledge and tradition. Because crows can live 20 years or more and pass down information, they create culture. Local crow populations develop unique foraging tricks, tool designs, and danger warnings which are taught to the next generation. These traditions can persist for decades, creating regional crow cultures much like different human communities. Fact 10. Ecological importance and urban adaptability. Crows are more than just clever. They're crucial to ecosystems. They clean up carrion, disperse seeds, and control insect populations. Their intelligence also makes them urban champions, thriving in cities from Tokyo to New York. They recognize traffic patterns, memorize garbage schedules, and adapt to human life with remarkable ease. In many places, crows and people live in a complex partnership that benefits both. Conclusion: from powerful problem-solving brains and future planning to rich family life and cultural traditions, crows prove that intelligence is not limited to mammals. They are living proof that big thinking can come in small black feathered packages. Next time you see a crow on a telephone wire, remember, it might be analyzing your face, inventing a new tool, or teaching his friends the best snack spots in town. So, which fact amazed you most? Tell us in the comments and subscribe to WildWhisper for more incredible stories of animal brilliance every day.